Hi, welcome to your first Seesaw assignment. Today in class was our first day, and we set up Seesaw so that you can start learning and working on Seesaw to do assignments and flip grids and the things that we talked about in class today. With learning to get on and signing in and getting all that information, we didn't get a chance to introduce ourselves. And I know, being a small district, a lot of you have been with each other since kindergarten, but we have a few new faces this year, so I wanted to give us an introduction to each other so we can get to know each other just a little bit more. So I'll go first. Here's my about me. As most of you know, this is my 4th year teaching here at Blue Valley. I teach 5th grade, which you had me last year, so some of you already know me. I graduated from K-State in 2013 with my bachelor's in elementary education. My favorite food is lasagna. Love lasagna. My favorite sport is baseball. Go Braves. Sorry, not big of a Royals fan, but I'll still support them. My favorite color is black. Most of you know that. I wear a lot of black. I like black. So that's just a little bit about me. Your first assignment is to do the same thing. What I want you to do is to give one fascinating fact about you that your friends may not know, or you may not have told someone. I want you to tell me what your favorite food is, what your favorite sport or activity, if you don't like sports, because I know some of you like gymnastics instead, what your favorite color is. So just a short little video about you. You don't need to dress up. You don't need to look pretty and fancy and whatnot. As you can tell, I'm wearing a hoodie, have my hair up. I don't look like I did at class today. So you don't need to be fancy. And I'm in my kitchen, so there's my food. So just have fun with your recording. Okay? I'm going to show you real quick how to get on to Seesaw. Well, you already know how to get onto Seesaw, so I'm going to show you how to get to the video portion. Okay, once you're signed into Seesaw, I know that this looks different than yours. You only have a few items on here. You don't have some of these that I do. But when you click on the journal portion of your Seesaw, you're going to see something that looks like this. Okay, so when you do this, I want you to click on video. And this is going to pop up. You're either going to select or drop file or record video. I want you, if you haven't recorded it on QuickTime or some other form, it'll be easiest to click record video. When this pops up, allow, so you can enable your webcam. Okay, you've allowed it. Oop, something's popping up here. That's fine. Camera. This isn't going to work now. No. Let's see. Let's try it again. There we go. Allow. There we go. There's the video. And as it says here, you push space bar to toggle or pause record. So when you do that, you're going to wait your 3 seconds. And then you say, "Hi, my name is," and do your fascinating fact, your favorite food, your favorite sport or activity, and your favorite color. Okay, so when you're done, you click finish recording. It's going to have 1 moment to load. It's going to be like a normal video. So, gotta let it load. You have up to 10 minutes, like it says here. I, of course, do want your video to be longer than 15 seconds. If you do your introduction properly, it will end up becoming longer than 15 seconds. So it's getting there. It's getting there. It's loading. Oh. So, as you can see, it'll take a little bit to get your video to load, and that's okay. We're there. Boom. Okay, so now, as you can see, it says processing your video. As with most things, we have to wait. Patience is a virtue. Okay, so there it has processed the video. And if you don't, you can replay it. If you didn't like your video, you can push record again. And then you can push the add video. It's going to upload. Okay, then you're done. Explain or reflect. You can do a caption. I want you, after you record yours, to go and watch at least one other classmate's video and respond to their video saying, my favorite sport is that too, or something. You know, give a good response to your classmates. Okay, you'll click the check and choose student. You want, I believe that is for me to do. But you will post your video. All right. Well, that has been how to get onto Seesaw, my introduction. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me and ask me away. Ask me any questions, ask away. All right, I will see you guys in class. Talk to you later. Bye.